Ever wonder if your current diet is truly serving your health and weight loss goals? The power of diet in our overall health and weight management cannot be overstated. It's a journey, a struggle for many, finding that perfect balance, that diet which aligns with their unique bodies and supports their weight loss aspirations. But hold that thought. What if there is a diet that might just be the secret to your weight loss success? Enter the ketogenic or keto diet. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet, but how does it help with weight loss? Well, let's dive into the science behind the keto diet. When we consume carbohydrates, our body breaks them down into glucose for energy. When carbs are scarce, as they are in a keto diet, our body has to find another source of energy. This is where the magic happens. The body begins to break down stored fat into molecules called ketones, a process known as ketosis. Picture this. Your body is a grand castle, carbohydrates are the regular supply of firewood, and ketones are the secret stash hidden deep within the castle walls. When the regular supply runs out, the castle doesn't freeze. Instead, it taps into this secret stash, burning it for warmth and keeping the castle thriving. That's exactly what happens in our bodies. Ketosis turns our body into a fat-burning machine, using up the stored fat and helping us shed those extra pounds. But weight loss is just one part of the keto story. This diet also has a profound effect on our energy levels. With a steady supply of ketones, our body has a constant energy source. Unlike the energy spikes and crashes associated with a high-carb diet, this leads to improved focus, mental clarity, and sustained energy throughout the day. One simple, tasty, and convenient way to follow the keto diet is by making keto smoothies. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a keto smoothie? Well, it is a nutrient-dense beverage that aligns perfectly with the principles of the ketogenic diet. It's high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates, making it an ideal choice for those who are adhering to this particular dietary lifestyle. Typically, a keto smoothie encompasses ingredients such as high-fat dairy products. We're talking about rich, creamy substances like Greek yogurt or coconut milk. These ingredients not only contribute to the smoothie's luscious texture, but also provide the body with a substantial dose of healthy fats, which are crucial for maintaining a state of ketosis. Then we have low-carb fruits. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries are popular choices. They add a touch of natural sweetness without causing a significant spike in your carbohydrate intake. Plus, they are packed with antioxidants, which are phenomenal for your overall health. And let's not forget about protein powders. A quality protein powder can help to round out the nutritional profile of your smoothie, providing your body with essential amino acids and supporting muscle growth and recovery. These smoothies are not just a convenient meal option, they are a powerful tool. They help you maintain ketosis, support your weight loss goals, and provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. By incorporating keto smoothies into your diet, you can enjoy the benefits of the keto diet in a simple and delicious way. The power to transform your health and reach your weight loss goals may be as simple as a smoothie. We've journeyed through the essence of diet, delved into the science of keto, and explored the miracle that is the keto smoothie. Let's recap. The keto diet, a low-carb, high-fat regime, propels your body into a state of ketosis, where fat, instead of carbohydrates, becomes your primary energy source. This transition can lead to weight loss and an overall improvement in health. Adding a keto smoothie into your daily regimen amplifies these benefits. Packed with essential nutrients and fiber, these smoothies help keep you satiated, curb your cravings, and maintain a healthy gut. With numerous flavors and ingredients to choose from, you can experiment and discover what works best for your unique needs. Remember, your diet has the power to transform your health. So why not give the keto smoothie miracle a try? Your gut will thank you.